double MG, the mother niggas fell off. Baby girl, I just wanna see you well off.
Everybody lit, can't put our fire out. Hey.
First thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the Glock out.
What's poppin', gang? Welcome back to It's Just Tay Vlogs.
Let's get it.
Poppin' JT gang. Welcome. Happy New Year's. It's the first. Oh, the little thing. I gotta cut that off. But yeah, it's the first weekend vlog. Oh, there we go. It's the first weekend vlog of this year, y'all. We finna go and get it popping, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, go ahead and open up the vlog, y'all. Gotta look a little rough right now, but I'm gonna get this shit together, y'all. I already know how Jus Tay is, okay? We have made it in belt. I'm gonna try to find me something. This flannel shirt to go with my outfit. Which way? Okay. Period. I think I'm breaking this down.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, man. Really, really. Hey, can we keep this party rolling in here? If y'all ready to start grooving, say, oh yeah! You're my baby. Y'all can groove if you want to. You're my lady. Okay, Pete. You're my lady. I pick you up every day from your child. Every man in the parking lot sings a want to rock me all my girl.
These folks got shots. Y'all look who over here, y'all. Yeah, these two don't make no sense over here by the drink. This don't make no sense. She don't make no sense. Oh.
Come on, we can do better than that. We're here to celebrate life. Say this. Hey, slow. If you single, be ready to mingle. Hey, and we about to have a good time. I got like 3 or 4 songs too. My band back about to take a rinse. So hey, y'all enjoy this music, alright? Y'all know this song.
Come on, crybaby. Come on, crybaby. talking about the last time
You
were here. I mean,
sweet God. Yeah, everything is harsh.
yeah.
And you got some water,
Yeah.
some brown roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all come on back and get some drink.
Yeah.
Deadwood.
Yeah. What you drinking now? If your hands empty, then you need a call to the bar. Hey. Okay. Damn. Lay it down.
Nobody needs nobody. All I need is me and my dog. So one more time.
This though, past these two ladies. You got to look, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, mama is a little lit, y'all. Look at the boots though. It's a wrap. It's been real. He said make a U-turn.
Heard about my past, things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind, you think I'm doing wrong. Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried me talking crazy. I need you all in.
Oh, she trying to get folks drunk.
High heels on my tippies. Dough, say in Gabbana, that's on my tippies.
Look at that, y'all. What's poppin', JTK? Happy Sunday.
Fun day.
The day after we had a drunk ass night last night, y'all. We had a fucking ball last night at Pop's little birthday thingy. But today is his birthday, y'all. But we are currently at Wally World. Well, there it is. Because, y'all, we're supposed to be getting some snow up to 2 to 4 inches here in Jackson. Ooh, we're supposed to be getting some snow here. 2 to 4 inches, y'all. So, we finna go shopping and grab some things, y'all. Yeah, good morning. And they got some all effective spray. Spray that in there. And inside. Finna go look grocery shopping. And FYI, it's supposed to be like 2 to 4 inches of snow, y'all. To others, that might not seem like nothing, but y'all, we don't do no snow here. So, we finna grab a couple things, y'all. Even though I'm still a little lit as hell. And we could have got this yesterday when we came to Walmart, but we had other things on our agenda. So, yeah, we're gonna prepare to be in the house together for 2-3 days. Right, babe? Yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Let's go ahead and grab these things so we can go back home, though.
You gotta pump a J on this one. You can't even drink Cristal on this one. You gotta drink Cristal.
Kiss it, baby. Waiting on that sunshine, but I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that.
So let me ask y'all, is there a difference in the Wonder Bunny? Yeah, we prefer the Great Value kind, y'all. You get way more, yeah. I know. Or do y'all get Wonder? But this is giant and toast bread. I don't know.
So I argue, yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? But you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up.
So y'all, let me tell y'all a funny joke. So y'all, we got this size, this 1 quart of milk, y'all, because we don't never even drink the half a gallon. It always just spoils. So the half a gallon that we got the last time, y'all, we might have made Alright, y'all, like I was saying, the damn milk was expired. It expired the 4th of January, y'all. But luckily, this milk expires the 22nd. And we're going to pray. And we're going to pray that we be able to drink all of it, okay? Birthday! Make sure y'all tell my daddy happy birthday in the comments.
Baby. Playing with it. She was 13. I mean, I was 13.
Damn.
You know what? At this point, y'all, just tell him happy birthday and we're going to clear that allegation up later.
She was on FC.
Y'all know, y'all already know who voice that is.
Yes, you already know your favorite auntie.
Period.
Yes.
I know you want to be. Y'all look at my mama.
Yeah, I'm out of here.
Because she was out of there last
Outta
night.
there.
I don't know where y'all was in. Y'all was in back in 1992. Well, you still getting Christmas gifts. And it's another. What's poppin', gang, y'all? Tell me why me and Baby back at Walmart.
Look, I'm saying they can't believe it.
We sit here and went where they volunteered to help my dad get the stuff up for the party from last night. So from there, we had to leave there, go put the groceries up at the house, then go over their house, kicked it and talked for a minute, only to turn up at IHOP. So that's why we was at IHOP. We ended up eating for my daddy's birthday today. Go that way.
Compliments on his birthday.
On his birthday. He always do that though. He ain't gonna never let you pay if you go with him anywhere. But y'all, only to turn around, we back at Walmart. Because they still gotta get them some little essentials. Okay, let me say this because this stinks. This fresh lavender, I hate it. I hate it, but, he's definitely gonna break your poo-poo out for but yeah, y'all, I just wanna let y'all know we back at Walmart, y'all shopping. Getting some tissue. Yeah, that's cool.
I seen him looking into the beauty, but I like it though.
Cool. Boy, you is funny. You is funny, y'all. He is so funny. Why do you play so much? Yeah, my man is a man for real, okay? I mess with his stuff.
Believe it or not, I'm still cold.
I'm cold as hell, y'all. But we just grabbed some ins and outs. I'm gonna check in with y'all. Y'all wanna let y'all know what we doing and what we got going on. Yeah. You know? Alright, y'all. Yeah, I'm just get a couple things. I got some tissue, a composition book, and a calendar. New year, new goals and accomplishments. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know, look how much it done started snowing already, y'all. We was just out and y'all seen. Look at this, y'all. Look at the ground. What's up with the JT gang? I wanted to show y'all this. Y'all look at this stuff. And it's snowing now. Oh my God.